So show up, look good, smell good, skin glowing, feeling good. Here's what to expect at Womanifest. Like my other events, we engage with interactive workshops and some movement segments. However, because this is a pop-up, it's only going to be about 2 hours and change, maybe 3 hours. We're going to get straight to business with workshopping. Trust and believe what we're going to be doing as far as Womanifesting is concerned. We'll have you DMing me, calling me, emailing me, letting me know that something big has happened for you in the month of April because of this workshop. So you want to make sure you're there, okay? This Friday at Rose Bistro and Champagne Bar. This is going to give you a taste of what WOMANifest, my 12-month-long program, is all about. So show up, look good, smell good, skin glowing, feeling good. Come order your sips, come order your food, sit down, and let's get straight to work.